Hello students, in this video I will discuss about the Fredolov alkylation and acylation of the phenol. Generally you know that the aniline is not involved in a Fredolov alkylation and acylation reaction. So because that aniline acting as a base and here the Lewis acid, the catalyst used in a Fredolov alkylation acylation forms a acid-base complex. Okay, in this acid-base complex, the nitrogen carries a positive charge, so that positive charged species acting as a strong minus I group that deactivate the benzene ring, so that further substitution is not possible. So aniline is not involved in a Fredolov alkylation or as well acylation reaction. But in case of the phenol, we can see the Fredolov alkylation and acylation reaction because that OH is a very less basic than the NH2. Okay, that oxygen is a more electron negative atom that holding electron density very tightly. It's not a good electron donor as with the nitrogen. So here in this case, even acid base complex is formed. Here the different reaction taking place that lose HCl. Okay, you see this one here, even that form a complex here aluminium, here Cl and the Cl, here Cl, it carries a negative charge. Here in this case, this hydrogen is a more acidic hydrogen than this hydrogen. The hydrogen which is attached to the nitrogen is a less acidic than the hydrogen which is attached to the oxygen. So here in this case, this conjugate acid is a more acidic in nature, so there is a loss of H plus and Cl minus taking place. So as a result, that becomes a again very strong electron donating group. Here oxygen, here aluminium, here Cl and Cl. So then here one of the side product in this case is a HCl. So, but here in this case, the loss of HCl is becomes very difficult because this this aniline is slightly more basic when compared with phenol. So the conjugate acid is a very weaker acid. But here in this case, conjugate acid is a stronger acid that releases a H plus ion along with the Cl minus ion. So here in this case, the further substitution taking place. For suppose if you take CH3Cl and AlCl3. Okay, that releases a CH3 plus alkophile. The CH3 plus alkophile attacks at the ortho position and para position. AlCl2 here. Of course, you know that the para product is major in this case because the oxygen is a plus M group and also acting as a minus I group. Okay, so the because of the minus I effect here, or the electron density at the ortho position decreases very much. So that's why ultimately that the alkophile CH3 plus attacks at the para position. Of course, here this one on hydrolysis we can get the phenol back. That means here phenol derivative. So OH and CH3 plus and that OH here AlCl2. Okay, so here in this case, the phenol can give the uh, Fredolov alkylation and acylation that can be involved in a Fredolov alkylation acylation, and of course, in this case, the gold is the yield is not very much. That means. To get the good percentage of the yield, we have to use the excess of the AlCl3 because that AlCl3 combines with the phenol and gives this product. So here that field of alkylation and acylation of the phenol needs a high amount of the Lewis acid, that is the AlCl3. Okay, so like this here phenol can be involved in a field of alkylation and acylation reaction. Here in this